Yeah, I'm incredibly proud of my service in the Army. I love everything the Army stands for. So to work for Thales, and in particular look after the Bushmaster, and then have my friends who still serve talk about its capability, its survivability, it is incredibly proud. Yeah, the vehicle has evolved over time, and I think people who look at it back in 1997 versus now, at a real tertiary glance, it probably looks no different. But once you get up close and you climb inside, it is completely different. This vehicle has evolved over that period of time, and my job is to push that vehicle into the future and continue to improve it and make sure it evolves further. This vehicle can either be a lifesaver, it can be an ambulance in the field, it can be a troop carrier, a C2, so a centre of communications, headquarter element. It can facilitate a UAS, you name it, that we can fit whatever inside it with time to suit your mission.